How to add credit card or debit card on Shein. Hello everyone, I am Bishakha and welcome to our channel Create, Login and Delete. Let's get right into the tutorial and open Shein application on your device. In order to add card on Shein, you first need to go ahead and make a purchase. So tap on any items that you require and click on Add to Cart. Once added to your cart, go to your cart in order to check out. Select the items and check out. Now fill in your shipping address first. I will fill mine here. If you want to make this address the default address, then click on Make Default toggle button. Once done, click on Save and your shipping details will be added. In the interface that appears now, under Payment Method, you will see the option for a credit card or debit card. Click on that. Add in your card details, and if you want to make this card your default card, then tap on the Remember this card for future use toggle button, and with this you will successfully be able to add your card on Shein. If you find this tutorial helpful, do subscribe to our channel. Thank you for staying with us until the end.